Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a vlog. I don't know if you guys can tell a difference, but I got a new camera. Super excited. It's the Canon G7X Mark II. I was gonna get the Mark III, but I was seeing horrible reviews, and so far I really like it. I don't have a tripod. I'm literally just holding it with my hand. And yeah, so we have some things to do in Angelo again today. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna take you along with me, vlog style, and it is currently 9:25. You guys know how long I've wanted to just be able to just hold a camera and be able to use my phone at the same time. Like this is huge for me. Like I'm super excited, and it's all thanks to you guys. Thank you all so much. Like I just love you all so much. So yeah, now that I'm up, I'm gonna go ahead and, well, I've been up for a while. Let me just say that. Amaya's in the living room eating her breakfast. I gave her some cereal, a waffle, and a Belvita, and some apple juice. So now I'm just going to take a quick shower. Don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to your girl's channel, and let's just go ahead and get this shower ready because your girl's tired of looking bummy. So yeah, let's just go ahead and go. I'll see you guys in the bathroom. Okay guys, so I just finished showering and I don't need to brush it, but I'm still going to anyways, I guess. So curious to see how like this looks whenever I upload it. I've been wanting a new camera, or just a camera. I've been using my iPhone SX Max to vlog, just to film actually, and so getting this camera is just really big for me, you guys. Like I really think I'm gonna like it. So for today's makeup look, I'm just gonna go super simple, super easy, because I don't feel like doing a lot. You know what? I take that back. I think I'm gonna do eyebrows today, but I don't feel like fixing it much more. So, I mean, it's not horrible. Okay, so now that I did that, I don't think I'm gonna put on lashes today. I think I actually just want to go natural with just some mascara. So I'm just gonna be using my L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Mascara in the shade Brown. Black brown, my bad. My eyelashes are so little because they're curly. So the look for today is just simple. I'm just gonna get Maya dressed and ready. She's ready to get out of her high chair, so okay, so now we are in Amaya's room, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get her something to wear. Okay, she wants to get out. So yeah, I really got something on my shirt. So we are in Angelo right now. We're at Wendy's right now. Haven't been to Wendy's in a hot minute. Hello.
Come on, Chicolita.
You want a fry? You don't want a friend? Hi vlog. Say hi vlog. Hi vlog. You big girl. Maya, do this. There you go, girl. You're so cute, baby. Okay guys, so we just left Wendy's. I showed y'all what we ate. I didn't vlog in there because there was a lot of people, and I also don't have my tripod, so I couldn't set my camera up on anything to make it comfortable for me to vlog. So yeah, now we're going to, we don't know. Okay, well, I'll see you guys whenever we get to wherever we're going to next.
We're at Best Buy.
You want to get out?
Let's get out.
You guys, my hair is not cooperating with me today.
This is super cute.
What in the world? Maya, do you like this?
Wait, I don't.
Okay, so it is on the tripod and I like it. I got the smallest one. I was gonna get the 1K one. You just ran into the thing. But I was gonna get the 1K tripod, but this one's smaller and it's cuter and I can carry it around and not feel so like big and bulky, so I got that one. Focus on me. There we go. It's hot as a bee. Okay, so update. I got my tripod. It's just a Joby tripod, this small little tripod. Just really small. It's the smallest one they had. Y'all, I don't even know what to do. Excuse my widow's peak, it's growing back. But I don't even know what to do about this hair. Like, I like the color, but I'm really not feeling when it grows back and my eyebrows grow back dark. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go back dark, you guys. I don't know, I'm just so tired of looking busted all the time. I really genuinely do not like this, like at all, sis. So we gotta figure something out. This video was kind of just me getting used to this new camera. I love it so far, and since I got the tripod, I'm really feeling it. Hopefully the quality is so much better for you guys rather than just using my phone. So we're gonna go to Walmart and we're gonna get our stuff that we need, but definitely gonna be getting a box of hair dye, probably 2 because my hair is so thick. And we're gonna have some fun when we get back to the house. So I will catch you guys when we are at Walmart. Ooh, I think right here it says dark brown, and yeah, so I think we're gonna get 2 boxes of this. Yeah, so we got 2 boxes of that. Okay, I need scrunchies because I literally have not been able to find any of my scrunchies. I don't know where they went. I don't know if Maya got a hold of them or what. I'm just gonna get these ones right here. Shea Moisture has a mask that I want to try. But look how expensive it is. $11 for this. Dang. A deep treatment mask restores and strengthens dry, damaged hair. Should I try this? I think we are. But instead of just getting that Cantu one, because I don't even know how that's gonna work, I think I'm gonna try this. Yeah. Maya, say hi. Oh, she saw y'all. You driving? Look at you. What are you doing? Thank you. You too. Oh! Lordy, lordy. It's freaking hot as shit. Let's put her air on. Blast that shit. strawberry limeade.
There's not anything else?
And a large sweet tea. And can I get a large order of mozzarella sticks? Okay guys, so it is time to color my hair, and I'm just gonna show you all a before. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this, but this is before. Okay, I'm just gonna take off my jewelry because I don't want to stain it. It's the dark brown. Now this is the stuff I'm talking about. I don't like how you can see my roots coming back. Like, they just want to come back so bad, so we're just gonna bring them back. It's time. Wow, I look crazy. Hold up. Okay, that's a little better. So, update, it's all over me. Okay, love that. Yeah, I can definitely tell that it's turning it back dark. I have to wait for 20 minutes for this to sit in my hair, so I will see you guys whenever that 20 minutes is up.
Chase a chick, chase. Never chase a bitch. Chase no bitch, man.
Good morning, guys. It is the next day. I was gonna end this video yesterday, but I definitely felt like it just wasn't completely finished. Like, I showed you guys the before, and I haven't even done my deep conditioning treatment, so that's what we're doing this morning. So this tells me that I need to apply a generous amount of deep conditioner to clean wet hair. Massage into hair, focusing on damaged areas. Leave for 10 minutes. Rinse well. I'm gonna go ahead and get in the shower, do my regular schmegular routine. I will see you guys whenever I get out of the shower. Okay guys, I'm out of the shower. I'm gonna be using the repairing deep conditioner treatment. I'm just going to open this up. Before I put it on my hair, I am going to split my hair in half. Oh, love that. All right. Smells really good. So I'm just going to wrap my hair up. So I'm gonna pee real quick and get dressed, and I will be right back in 10 minutes. Okay, I love you guys. Okay guys, so it's been like well past 10 minutes. I wanted it to sit in my hair a bit longer. My hair already feels so nice. Oh baby, inches. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna wash this out with cold water because I want it to stay in my hair. I want my hair follicles to really close this moisture in my hair. So let's go. And voila. Voila. Okay guys, so that is it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.